Hello children. In the last part we discussed about the lungs and heart. Now in this part we are discussing about the stomach with process of digestion, liver and kidneys. Students, this is a stomach. Let's we study about that. The main job of stomach is to store and break down food. Our stomach is the digestive organ that is located in the upper abdomen under the ribs. It is pear-shaped or J-shaped muscular organ. The food particles are broken down and are mixed with some digestive juices. Students, now we will see the digestive system. Students, digestive system contains mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, liver and rectum. Let's see more about the digestive system. As you all know students, the main function of the stomach is to digest the food which we eat. Students, the food contains nutrients which give us energy and help us to grow. These nutrients can be utilized by the body only after the food digested in the stomach. When we eat food, it is broken down into small pieces by teeth and tongue in our mouth. The food then goes down through esophagus. It is the food pipe. When the food enters the stomach, the muscles of the stomach mixes and mashes the food. The stomach has many digestive juices which comes from liver and its own gland. The muscles of the stomach expands and contracts to churn the food in the digestive juices. The food gets dissolved in the juices as they are slightly acidic in nature. This way, food is digested in the stomach, and any food that remains undigested, it moves to the small intestine, which secretes its own digestive juices to digest the food. The part of the food that fails to get digested is then pushed into large intestine, which remove in the form of waste, that is in the form of feces through anus. Students, for proper digestion, what will you do? Yes, for proper digestion of food and for making our body healthy, we must chew our food properly. Eat our food on time. Should not overeat and should eat lots of salads, fruits and green vegetables. We should avoid junk food like burgers, pizzas and pastas as they are harmful for our body and cannot digest easily. We should keep a gap of 3 to 4 hours between each meal, which is a good healthy habit. Students, now move towards the next internal organ, that is liver. It is the liver, and this is the liver placed inside the body. The liver is at right side of the abdomen under the rib cage. It is one most very important internal organ. Liver is the largest solid organ of your body. It is reddish brown in color. The main function of liver to digest fats. Liver also makes protein which helps to cure blood clotting. Liver also helps in removing harmful chemicals from the body in the form of waste material. Now move towards the next internal organ, kidneys. Students, everybody knows about kidneys. They are also important like heart. You need at least one kidney to stay alive. Yes, children, we have two kidneys on either side of our spine, below our ribs, and behind our belly. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs. Each kidney is about 4 to 5 inches long, roughly the size of large fist. Your kidney keeps the water level balanced in the body. Your kidney work with your brain to control water level. The main function of kidney is to filter blood. Also, it removes waste from our body. That waste get collected in the urinary bladder and removed as urine. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.